Berg manufactures industrial process cooling solutions. We like to build factory skid-mounted solutions to satisfy our clients' needs. We're in our 40th year of business. We think we bring a lot to the table. We've got a very strong crew of sales engineers that understand process. Ontario has an opportunity to bring an additional labor force to the demands that Alberta is requiring at the moment. As a province, we're very capable of providing a helping hand. Most of the product that we ship around the world is designed to either fit into a container or onto a truck. It doesn't really matter whether we're shipping to Saudi Arabia or to Alberta. We see opportunities in all different parts of that industry, including the environmental side, where we're reducing flare gas and other environmental issues, condensing different types of gases coming off processes, reusing energy from different applications. We see all kinds of opportunities. I'm always proud of the product that leaves our door. We test and confirm everything that goes out of here, and we know that when it arrives on the client's door, it's going to do the job.